He just stands his fucking coat. That's the best shit in the world. Let's go on California Open.
Oh
my god.
That's a good cat. That's a good cat. Oh. It's gonna be so funny when people show up and take like your dog and rescue them.
Just stand there with one hand up. I dare you.
Money. That's money.
Yeah, T-Money's good. So the others girl would feel like shit.
When you just hit someone with paws, it must start to money. That shit hurts me.
Did Michael take the rest of this shit?
Michael? Yeah.